Hey guys, Ray from LYRV. I got a quick cleaning tip for you today, a product tip called LA's Totally Awesome. Now over the years I've put out a few videos with some of the products I use around the RV. I'll link to them in the description below. But every time I put out a review, I always get a few commenters talking about this LA's Totally Awesome cleaner. They say it's down at the dollar store. I'm like, how good can it be at the dollar store? I've never really tried it, but this last year I was down in Apache Junction and I was doing laundry, and there was a Dollar Tree next door. So I went in there and looked around, and of course I saw this LA Totally is Awesome. And everything in that store was $1, so each of these products were $1. So I thought, oh, I'll take a crack at it. And actually, this stuff works really well. Especially this stuff, it's a spray-on stuff. It can be mixed and concentrated. You can see on the back it has all kinds of uses around the home, business, RV, boat. But what it really does a good job is getting off black streaks or any kind of rubber that's stuck on from the seals and things like that. So I'm happy with that. Also picked up this stuff. It's like a detergent in there, and it can be used for actually laundry. But I used it on our floors. They were heavily coated from when we were in the desert. The dirt builds up quite a bit. They were just like black, and this stuff just took it all off, no problem. Even some of the aluminum oxide that it had formed from my slide coming in, took that off. And then I saw they also had cleaning vinegar, which I use an extra concentrated vinegar quite often around the RV for getting rid of hard water deposit, things like that. Usually I get one, a brand called Allen's, which has a higher concentration of the acidic acid. Oh, a nice helicopter dude shows up right in the middle. Give you a look at him. Camped right beside a heliport. Anyway, this vinegar's worked really well. Like I say, there's a cleaning vinegar that I use that has a higher concentration of the acid. You wouldn't use this for food or anything, but it's highly concentrated and really good for cleaning. Usually mix it together with some water, put it in a spray bottle, and it's good for getting rid of hard water deposits off the windows and stuff like that. Anyway, I thought I'd give you that quick tip because this stuff is really cheap and it actually works. So thanks to the commenters that clued me into it. Till next time, Ray from LoveYouRV.com. Cheers, folks.